We're just sitting here today. We're gonna go fucking fishing today. We're gonna ride you little.
We're going fucking fishing!
She's a little stoked here.
I'm fucking stoked. I got fucking play a song.
Look at the state of your neck.
I'm gonna fucking play a song.
Oh my god.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Okay. We're going fishing today. We are going fucking fishing in the USA. Cause we're going fucking fishing, man. We're going fucking fishing.
Let's go gardening after.
You wanna go fucking fishing? Check out my fucking shirt. Check out my fucking shirt, man. Check out her fucking ass. Check out her fucking ass. Check out this fucking shirt. It's fucking gay. You wanna know why? Cause it's not fishing right now. That's one side. Fan camera.
If I can so nervous. I just want to touch myself and caress your body.
Welcome
and
to
take
America.
your jizz in.
Do you like to go to fucking America? Do you like to go to fucking America?
How do you know? How do you
You
know?
wanna go fucking America? Welcome to America.
This is the Hindi pop.
The Hindi pop. We're going fucking fishing. That's all we gotta fucking say, man. We're going fucking fishing. We're going fucking fishing, man. Gonna fuck you up if you're not fucking going fishing, man. You wanna go fucking fishing?